Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a MOTOROLA Edge 50 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. So let's find it. You will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If not, you can add it right now, or you can create it right now. If you're still not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial of how to add the Google account to the device. So now we can tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps. So let's simply tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, in my case, I've got 27 of them. Of course, if you want, you can mark all of the updates and download all of them. However, you can also choose particular updates. So let me choose maybe update for Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Messages. Like that. So mark the updates and tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not have to do anything more, just wait patiently so your device can update the apps. First of all, download them and then install. Of course, you do not have to wait on this list. You can close it and do whatever you want, because everything will happen in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.